Hey, Doc Martinez here, and thank you for joining me on another journey down the old-fashioned rabbit hole. Now, Snoop DO GG's birthday is coming up, so to wish Snoop Dogg a happy birthday, I got inspiration from one of his most iconic songs, Gin and Juice. And I will be making a DO GG Gin and Juice Old Fashioned, the only way Snoop could appreciate it. Cavius Brodus Jr. was born on October 20th, 1971 in Long Beach, California. His parents nicknamed him Snoopy due to his love and likeliness of a cartoon character from the Peanuts. So, one of Snoop Dogg's early soul freestyles over the song Hold On by Indoggo was on a mixtape that fortuitously wound up with Dr. Dre. The influential producer was so impressed by the sample that he called Snoop Dogg to audition. Now, Dr. Dre began working with Snoop. When he began recording, Brodus took the stage name of Snoop Dogg. Dr. Dre had Snoop Dogg work with and featured on Dr. Dre's debut solo album, The Chronic. This intense exposure played a considerable part in making Snoop Dogg's debut album, Doggy Style, a critical and commercial success. Snoop Dogg's debut solo album, Doggy Style, produced by Dr. Dre, was released by Death Row Records in November 1993, and the singles Who Am I, What's My Name, and Gin and Juice reached the top 10 most played songs in the United States. And the album stayed on the Billboard charts for several months, selling 800,000 copies in the first week alone. Doggy Style was certified quadruple platinum by 1994. So, what is your favorite Snoop Dogg song? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're enjoying these videos, please like and subscribe. So, Snoop Dogg has his own gin. It is called Indoggo and was developed by Snoop Dogg and is the ultimate remix of 7 premium botanical flavors with all natural strawberry flavor. In addition to the juniper berry, other botanicals include orange, coriander, and cassia, with strawberry for a fruity finish. Cocktail quiz time! Gin is a clear distilled spirit with dominant botanical flavors of juniper, flowers of fresh and dried fruit. Where does gin derive its name from? Gotta sip on some gin and juice to find out. Now, Indoggo does have an online recipe for gin and juice, and I will leave a link for that below. However, in my research, I also found a video where Snoop is making a gin and juice. Now, it is from this video that I get my inspiration for the DO GG Gin and Juice Old Fashioned, one that could possibly inspire Snoop Dogg to make a new song about. So let's start making a DO GG Gin and Juice Old Fashioned. DO GG Gin and Juice Old Fashioned ingredients: 1.5 ounce of Indoggo Gin, 1 ounce apple Ciroc vodka, half an ounce pineapple juice, half an ounce of Texas grapefruit shrub, 1 bar spoonful of blood orange bitters, 1 dash of orange bitters, a splash of club soda, grapefruit, and a blood orange. Making DO GG Gin and Juice Old Fashioned. In a shaker full of ice, add half an ounce of pineapple juice and half an ounce of Texas grapefruit shrub. Now add 1.5 ounces of Indoggo Gin, followed by the 1 ounce of apple Ciroc vodka. Next, add a bar spoonful of blood orange bitters and 1 dash of orange bitters. Shake until chilled. In a chilled rock glass, add a quarter slice of blood orange and a quarter slice of grapefruit. Add a splash of club soda. Muddle carefully. Add a large ice on top of the muddled fruit. Now, strain the drink into the glass. Over the top of the drink, expel the oils from the peel of the grapefruit and the blood orange. Garnish with the peels. Cocktail quiz time! Gin is a clear distilled spirit with dominant botanical flavors of junipers, flowers, and fresh and dried fruit. Where does gin derive its name from? Answer: the name gin derives the word juniper, which is Old English, which is a derivative of a Latin word juniperus, meaning juniper. Alright, so here we have it, the DO GG Gin and Juice Old Fashioned, made with Snoop Dogg Indoggo Gin. Now before I even try this, if you actually watch the video where Snoop Dogg actually makes it, he says that you first have to taste the gin. And they say this is to kill the poison. So here we go. So I'm gonna give myself a little bit and kill the poison. Wow, it's actually very good. Very flowery. You do have that little strawberry at the end. So it's a very good gin. I haven't had too many gins in my life to compare it to, but I do like this one. So now, let's taste the DO GG Gin and Juice Old Fashioned. I do want to mention that we actually use blood orange because that's what Snoop Dogg used in his. And I think that does make a little bit of a difference. It does have a little bit, it's not as sweet of a taste as a regular orange does. I've only had one Gin and Juice Old Fashioned before, and it was actually the one I made prior to this one because I wanted to see if I could make it a gin and juice into an old fashioned. I think I did a good job, but man, smelling this on the nose, it smells wonderful. Wow, nice fruit, good fruitiness up front. It doesn't hide the gin, so you actually taste the gin with this. You taste that floral with the gin. Oh man, that is very good. Very balanced. I do like this a lot. I like the way the fruit does come in the front. You still taste that gin, and at the end I can taste that little bit of strawberry that's actually used to finish this off. Very good. I do like it. I hope Snoop Dogg would be proud of this one. Maybe even make another song for this one. So I almost forgot to rank the DO GG Gin and Juice Old Fashioned. I want to say that this is actually my best non-bourbon old fashioned so far. And that actually came from my wife too. My wife really liked this one. She finished the rest of it. I didn't even get to have much more of this one, so I'll probably make another one later tonight so I can actually sit down and enjoy it. But I want to give this one a 9.2 on a scale of 10. Very good, very balanced. Need to give it a try. Yep, can't stop sipping on it. Like it a lot. If you like these videos, please subscribe and click on the next link below. Cheers.